Everyone talks about AI, but most people still don't realize how many ways it can make you money right now. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to build the next chatbot. You just need a smart way to use these tools to solve real problems. Here are 5 AI-powered side hustles you can start today, even with zero experience. First, content creation with ChatGPT. Thousands of businesses, bloggers, and small creators are struggling to write consistently. You can offer blog writing, email sequences, or product descriptions, all powered by ChatGPT. You get the ideas, polish the output, and deliver content in record time. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are full of demand. People are earning $21.00 per project. Second, video script writing and voiceover. Combine ChatGPT with voice tools like ElevenLabs or Play.ht. You can write scripts, then generate realistic audio for YouTube, TikTok, or corporate use. Businesses want faceless videos now more than ever, and you can offer the full package: script, voice, and delivery. No camera needed. No studio. Artists are using Midjourney to create album covers, posters, children's book illustrations, or even tattoos. Then they sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or print-on-demand platforms. If you learn to prompt well, you can produce unique visuals in minutes. Combine it with Canva to brand them, and you're golden. Fourth, chatbot setup for businesses. Many websites want 24/7 customer service, but hiring staff is expensive. You can build custom GPT-powered chatbots using tools like BotPress or Chatbase. No deep coding required, just training data and clear flows. Sell to local restaurants, stores, or online brands. They save time, you make money. Fifth, transcription and summarization. Podcasts and YouTubers need their audio turned into text and blog posts. Use tools like Whisper.io or Otter.ai to transcribe, then summarize with ChatGPT. This side hustle is perfect for English speakers who can clean up grammar and give it a human touch. The best part, these tools are mostly free or low cost. What matters is how you use them. I won't replace you if you learn how to use it first. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but they are scalable and they can grow into real businesses if you stay consistent. If this gave you real value, hit like, subscribe, and come back for weekly ways to grow smarter income in the AI economy.